Ayo, hustlepreneurs. It's a boy out with the flu essay once more. Y'all know the vibes, y'all know the vibes. Welcome back to another session with me, the one and only with the flu essay. Y'all know the vibes. So on today's lesson we'll be talking on how to use your MetaTrader 4 PC version. You can see this is a PC, guys. We are no more in phone version, we are in PC version. So first things first, you do, let me get straight to the point without wasting your time. Let's say you can choose a broker. When it comes to the platform of PC, you choose a broker. You can say IC Markets or Ion FX or Octa FX or whatever. So let's choose, let's say Octa FX. What's that? MT4 PC. Let's say MT4 PC. Yeah, download MetaTrader 4 Octa FX now. Let's see. Let's check if it's available. Let's check. Yeah, but I think yeah, it is available. Yeah, download MetaTrader 4 Octa FX. Yes, you download it. You can choose from any broker, it doesn't care. So okay, MetaTrader 4. Okay, let's go here, download. Let's check download for Windows. If you're using Apple, you can choose Mac OS, but for Windows, there it is. So save. Octa FX downloaded successfully, guys. So let's go. Let me show you how we use it. Yes. Let's see. It needs to appear. So easy, guys. So very easy. What's taking it so long? It's taking time, guys. Yo, this thing. Yes. Why are you taking time? So okay, guys, let's check it. Sorry for that. Let me. Yeah. We have it. Here it is. It appeared finally. So okay, we say next, then it shall load. We wait for it to load. Yeah, you need to have fast internet access, guys. Fast. You know. But if you have a slow, it will take 10 years to load. But if you have fast internet, 2 minutes, 2 seconds, done. So okay, let's check it, and let's see after it goes in. Let's wait for it. Okay, congratulations, we are waiting for you. Let's go and hear what they have to tell us. No, let's lose this one. Oh no, when it says this, cancel it. It's not compulsory, guys. You don't want that. Okay, I think we are waiting for the other terminal to open. Yes, let's close this one. Yeah, we are waiting for the other terminal. Let's see. Yeah, it's loading. I think I need to increase the RAM of my PC. Needs to be more faster than this. So okay, let's check. Oh, it's slow. doesn't want to open, guys. Yeah, finally. So okay, there it is, guys. Once you come here on this section, you can see this is our terminal. Beautiful. So you shall go down. If you have a broker besides OctaFX, it's still good. Let's say you have Xness, you just say it, then you press enter. Then after that, it shall appear. Then after here, since, well, let's say you have a real account or whether a demo account, I don't know, you shall enter your details. Let's say real 2, let's just choose randomly. So after that, you say existing trade account, you enter your login details and the password, then you say finish. After that, it will appear, everything will load from here, after opening an account. After entering your login details that you received on your email. I showed you how to open a broker, guys, right? So what you have to do is just after going into the terminal, you shall open an account, you receive your details, they'll give you a login and a password, then, or they will ask you to create your own password. Then you enter those details here and choose the server. The server is important, guys. Sometimes the server is a real 2, real 20, real 18, 13. When you look at your email, the email will tell you which server you should choose. Then after that, you select that server, trade into an existing account. Then for now, I think I'll pause, then enter my details, then come back. Okay, guys, okay, we are back. So okay, I've inserted my details. You can see a real account, it's active, balance 200 rands. So I can't wait for Nasdaq. And I like small accounts. So what do, you explore your terminal data, is waiting for update. What you have to do is say view, then you say symbols, then forex group, you click on the forex, then say show. Then these ones that are highlighted in the gray, they won't be able to be traded or displayed. So what you have to do is go in here, you drag it whether or GPY, then you press this over here. It is maximize. Then to remove the background grid, you say Control G. Then there it is. We're good to go. Then these are whatever candlesticks. Then you say we're bar charts now. We are on candlesticks. That's what we like to prefer. Then okay, guys, right click on your mouse, then one click trading. It helps you. This is the lot sizes that I've been speaking about, but this is the PC version, so it's 0.01. Then you can click whether buy or sell, whatever. I won't place any trades, guys. This is easy, guys. Here, the PC version, it's easy because you click fast. Whether you buy or sell, you can click fast, open positions in a short period of time, as long as your internet connection is fast. Then around here, when your profits or trades are loading, you can close it very fast, guys, very fast. So these are the other pairs. You can just click and drag them, it will load. Here are your time frames. You play around. Here are your tools, guys. Here are your trend lines, guys. Here are the trend lines and other tools. You can say insert in lines, channels, gun, whatever, Fibonacci, shapes, arrows. Yeah, that's how you do it, guys. You can just play around. Play around, guys. So I'll bring out part 2. I'll explain what is what, guys. Part 2 is coming. I'll be going in depth, guys. Thank you.